If I tell you I made this jollof rice without water, would you believe me? If not, then stay with me till the end of this video. I'll be showing you how I made this jollof rice without water. I first of all fried my tomato paste. I added my curry and my thyme. Then I added my pepper mix, my jollof pepper mix. Then I'll stir, and I added another seasoning. You add your own seasoning according to your own taste bud. I added my nutmeg, my curry powder, my seasoning cubes, my salt, and if you want to take your jollof rice from 0 to 10, use Benny seasoning. Trust me, it's so good. After that, I'll dish out a little bit of the jollof base. I'll set it. I'll keep it aside. We'll use it later. Then I added my chicken stock with a little bit of water, followed by my already washed rice. I did not parboil. The only thing I did was I soak and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. I wash, then I stir, then I'll use my foil paper to cover. Did I add water? Don't mind me, we'll use water, but very little. So after a few minutes, I'll open and use my spatula to flip the rice from bottom to top to make sure everything is mixed properly. I'll make sure you don't turn it like you're turning ever. Just use your spatula to flip from bottom to top to ensure everything, all the ingredients you've added mixed properly. I'll add my onion, and I'll add that jollof base I set aside earlier. But this part you can choose not to do it. Sometimes I use fresh tomato to do it. Then followed by my simmered butter. I'll still cover again. I'll cover it well to make sure everything is well covered, and I'll cook it this time around for 15 minutes. Then I'll open again and flip it from bottom to top. And if you want that smoky flavor, this is the best time to do it. After mixing everything, mixing the stew and the simmered butter together, if you want that smoky flavor, this is the best time to do it. All you need to do is to increase the heat you are using to cook the food, increase it, cover it with your foil paper, and allow it to cook and burn and burn and burn, and you have that smoky flavor you are looking for. So at this point, my jollof rice is ready, and you can see how delicious it's looking. So this particular one, if I'm very sure you can see that it looks dry. Yes, that is because I did not use too much water to prepare it. Will you be trying my recipe? If yes, please like, comment, and stay tuned to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.